Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at a conversion kit that converts this S-Max into this go-kart. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Khan here, checking out once again the NineBot GoKart Pro. That is right, this here is the infamous drift machine in which we'll be unboxing it once again, as well as putting it to the test in a little race against the Lamborghini version. Now, this was sent to us by Wellbots, a company that is known to go ahead and sell some of the most state-of-the-art tech, in which if you want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. Not only that, I am super excited to announce that they agreed to give away one of these GoKart Pros to one of our lucky subscribers. In order to go ahead and enter, all you have to do is like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll be picking a winner in exactly 1 month from today. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and take a look. Take out this middle packaging, lift up the box, remove the wrapping around the go-kart, and that should help expose it. So this is how the go-kart looks once you take it out of the box. Now there's an accessory box in here. This will house our spoiler as well as our charger and the different brackets that we need. Alright, so first off we do have our user manual, which is very important. Kind of gives you step-by-step directions on how to go ahead and build it. Honestly, it's not that complicated. And then we have our spoiler, so this will attach to the rear end there. We have our bracket here to convert into a hoverboard, so you can go ahead and choose between both the go-kart as well as the hoverboard, which we'll be trying. And then of course we get our Bluetooth speaker, which is right over here. So this will give us our engine sound, so you can go ahead and choose a variety of different tones based on your personal preference. We have our nuts and bolts as well as our batteries all inside here, and then we have our brackets for our spoiler as well as our charger. So overall, not too complicated. So with that said, let's go ahead and put this thing together and see what it looks like. These little brackets here will just slide onto the back like this. Then this here is going to be our wing. This will kind of mount onto the top over here, and then you just use the variety of different bolts that it comes with to kind of mount it in place. So up next, we're going to install our speaker bracket. This portion will just stretch over and lock it in place. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to do is install our bolt to go ahead and lock in our steering position. So you can go ahead and adjust it based on your personal height. So if it's for a child, it's going to be down here. If it's for an adult, you want to put it up high like that. There we go. Now it's nice and snug. And then we have different lengths. So you can bring it in. So this is going to be our minimum height, and then you can make it our maximum, which would be for an adult. Tighten these 4 bolts. Next up, I'm going to open up this cap right over here. And yeah, so pretty easy to build. Now, another cool thing about this that most people don't know is that it's actually a 2-in-1 kit. So you do get a go-kart, yes, but it's also a hoverboard. It comes with this portion here that you can attach and use it as simply just kind of gliding about. So in order for us to do that, slide this thing up here. And then there's 2 Velcro straps on the back. This will detach our go-kart from our hoverboard. And then lift this up here. Slide this back. On the bottom portion here, it shows you how to assemble your S-Max. So this part here we already detached from our go-kart. We're going to unwrap this a little bit. So this is the portion that goes between your legs. You can adjust the height over here too. So going to open this up and just kind of slide up and down based on your personal preference in terms of height. And then you'll see that it's got this little notch right over here, which there's like a red marker. There we go. And then we take the 2 screws that it came with and we screw it down. And then we're going to lock this in here. Alright, so once that's locked in, you can adjust the knees height by doing this up and down, and then you can tighten in place, and then you also have a handle to go ahead and help with the steering, so you can use that too. So that's kind of nice that when you kind of lean it left or right, it'll turn that specific direction. All right, so we're also ready to go. We have our app here, so I'm gonna click on our S-Max. This should connect to it, align and adjust the settings. Obviously we want to keep it on a lower speed since we're still kind of new to this. All right, now we're in the correct mode. So this here's our self-balancing mode. So you can see that it's kind of like balancing on its own. I can control it without it. And it's actually a lot more stiffer than I was anticipating. So you can actually like control it just by kind of like doing that. Now, supposedly you just go ahead and step on it, but right now I'm just kind of looking at the app. So you do have a few different things in here. So you can go and adjust the settings, you could change the headlight, you could change a variety of different modes in terms of Bluetooth control too. So I can control it as if it's an RC car. Look at this. How cool is that? So right now I am controlling it using my phone. And yeah, I mean, this thing's actually pretty darn cool. Look at this. That is wicked. So literally you can control it just to do anything. Ah! Yeah, just be careful. There we go. Okay, cool. So all right, so overall pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it. Literally just go ahead and kind of twist yourself and it'll kind of turn in that direction. And if you kind of lean back, it'll go back. If you lean forward, it'll go forward. Now obviously if you go and watch the full settings, you can unlock the full speed, but I think this is actually fast enough. Overall, it's a really cool design concept that you can go ahead and use it for this or a go-kart based on your own personal needs. And I have to say, it's actually a lot of fun, more like a different kind of fun overall. And with that said, let's go ahead and convert this back into a go-kart and try it out. All right, so we're out here. We got our Lamborghini version that we reviewed previously and the all-new NineBot Go-Kart Pro. I got my brother over there, the KhanFlicks, driving the Lamborghini today, and we're gonna go ahead and do a quick little race, kind of see the difference between the two. Okay, ready, 3, 2. Oh man, that was so much fun. Woo! So just like that, this thing is 10 times faster than that one. But yeah, kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Obviously, I think it's because this one is a lot more newer than that one. And yeah, with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.